The Internet Information Services or IIS settings tab within Passport's system configuration is always going to be set up during the installation and implementation process. However, if you've changed or updated your network configuration, you may need to update these settings as well. Now for the IIS address, if you've installed the IIS service on the local PC, then there's no need to do anything with any of these fields here. You can actually leave these all blank. However, if you've installed IIS and the SQL Server Compact Server tools on a server with a static IP, then you would enter the static IP information here. Here we can see the IIS address as it would be formatted if you're using a static IP. The IP address here you see would be the IP address of the server. Now if you're using a server that has a dynamic IP and is using DHCP, at that point you would want to enter the server name as opposed to the IP address. Here we can see what the IIS address would look like with the server name of server 1. Now to allow your users to connect externally outside of your network to the database, you'll need to enter an external IIS address. Here in the external IIS address now, we can see this set up with the external IIS address IP address. And finally, if IIS and the database are on the same computer, but the computer has different IP addresses for the internal and external access, then you would want to enter the internal IP address of the computer here. Once you have all the information in these fields, at that point you can click Save, say yes to the new settings, and now the new information has been saved in Passport.